Hello my lovely viewers and welcome for another video. In today's video you will see one of my favorite drinks to have during this time of the year. I have it warm now, very warm, but in the summer I have it cold as well, so it has double functions. You can have it warm or cold as you prefer. It's a tea made out of pineapple peels. If you've seen my video where I share you how I do my food shopping, I will link the video here so you can check that as well. You will see that we buy weekly pineapples. We buy ours from Sainsbury, and with the peels I make tea out of that. So you will need the very ripe pineapple, but just the peels, and the inside I use it for smoothing in the morning. You will need the ginger, a piece of ginger, and some branches of mint, fresh mint. I will cut some of these because they are getting quite tall. And let's put together the tea and enjoy it. To put the tea together you will need, as I said, peels of one large pineapple, one thumb finger fresh ginger, fresh mint leaves, and water. I'm using bottled water, which I bought it from the supermarket. Tap water is not allowed in my house. I'm not using it for drinking. I'm not using it for cooking either, or my teas. You add everything into a large pot. You bring into a steaming temperature and you steam it for 25-30 minutes. You take it off of your stove and you let it rest for another 20-25 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. I've linked in the description bar below under this video some benefits of this amazing tea. If you drink it regularly, your immune system will be strong, your blood will be thinner. It's anti-inflammatory as well. It's good for your eyes, you keep your vision in track, and it's clear as well. More benefits, as I said, they are listed under the video, and they are more specific in details. Let me know if you'll try it, how you defined it, and come back on the comment section, and I'm waiting for your feedback. Hope you like my video, guys. Stay strong, stay healthy, and until the next time, look after yourself and your family. Call somebody that you love and tell them I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye guys, bye bye.